Cakewalk versus Pro Tools. Which DAW is better? Choosing the right digital audio workstation can completely change how you produce music without struggling with workflow or compatibility. Cakewalk offers a free Windows-based option, while Pro Tools targets professional studios with advanced features. Cakewalk and Pro Tools are two popular digital audio workstations, but they serve different users. Cakewalk is a free Windows-only DAW focused on accessibility and flexibility, while Pro Tools is a premium, cross-platform solution designed for high-end recording and mixing environments. Cakewalk by BandLab is a fully featured digital audio workstation available for free on Windows. It provides a comprehensive set of tools including multi-track recording, MIDI editing, and a wide range of virtual instruments and effects. Cakewalk's interface is user-friendly, making it accessible for beginners and intermediate producers. It supports VST3 plugins and offers flexible routing options, allowing detailed control over audio and MIDI workflows. The software integrates well with BandLab's cloud platform for collaboration. However, Cakewalk is limited to Windows users and may lack some advanced features found in premium DAWs, such as advanced surround mixing or proprietary hardware integration. It's ideal for hobbyists, independent musicians, and producers who want professional capabilities without the cost. Cakewalk's zero price tag combined with robust functionality makes it a strong choice for those starting out or working on Windows-based setups. Pro Tools, developed by Avid, is a professional-grade digital audio workstation, widely used in studios for music production, film scoring, and post-production. It offers powerful multi-track recording, advanced editing tools, and industry-standard mixing and mastering capabilities. Pro Tools supports a broad range of hardware interfaces and control surfaces, providing tight integration for complex studio environments. Its proprietary AAX plugin format ensures high-quality processing and low-latency performance. Pro Tools excels in handling large sessions with multiple collaborators and complex routing needs. However, Pro Tools requires a subscription or perpetual license, making it a significant investment. It also has a steeper learning curve and requires a more powerful computer setup. This DAW is best suited for professional engineers, producers, and studios demanding reliable, high-end audio production with extensive hardware and software support. Cakewalk and Pro Tools both excel in digital audio production, but cater to different audiences. Cakewalk offers a zero-cost, Windows-only platform with solid recording and MIDI tools, perfect for independent artists and home studios. It's flexible and easy to learn, but lacks some advanced features and cross-platform support. Pro Tools, on the other hand, is a premium solution with extensive hardware compatibility, advanced editing, and mixing tools designed for professional environments. It supports Windows and Mac OS, making it versatile for collaborative projects. The trade-off is cost and complexity. Pro Tools requires investment and experience, but delivers unmatched studio-grade performance. For straightforward music production on a budget, Cakewalk is ideal. For high-end, professional workflows with industry-standard tools, Pro Tools remains the preferred choice. Choose Cakewalk if you want a powerful, free DAW on Windows with strong MIDI and audio features, perfect for beginners and budget-conscious creators. Option Samurai versus Option Bricar, advanced editing, mixing, and hardware integration for professional studio work. Its industry-standard status ensures top-tier performance for serious producers and engineers looking for reliable, high-end audio production tools.